Bioinformatics is a rapidly developing branch of biology and is highly interdisciplinary, using practices and ideas from informatics, statistics, mathematics, chemistry, biochemistry, physics, and linguistics. It has many practical uses in different areas of biology and medicine. Roughly, bioinformatics labels any use of computers to handle biological information. In practice, the definition used by most people is narrower. Bioinformatics to them is another word for computational molecular biology, the use of computers to distinguish the molecular components of living things. Rise in the government spending in biotechnology, increased R&D activity, increase in the growth of proteomics & genomics, rise in drug discovery, & development research, and upsurge of the biotechnology sector in the emerging economies are the major driving factors of the bioinformatics market. Currently, a majority of the companies are focusing their attention on the likes of proteomics and genomics. Companies are ensuring the development of proteomics, & genomics, and at the same time are in the market for acquiring companies which are constantly innovating proteomics. The likes of Roche acquired Bina Technologies in a bid to enter the hot and in-demand genomics market. Wuxi Pharmatech, a Chinese organization, has acquired NextCode Health, a genomic analysis and bioinformatics company, which is an indication of the great potential of the bioinformatics market. Recently, one of the big giants of the bioinformatics industry, Illumina, entered into an agreement with Seqs in a bid to expand their genomics and proteomics project, where they develop novel ways to analyze proteomics and genomics as a part of their Oneomics project. Currently, next general sequencing is high on demand in the bioinformatics sector. Illumina recently completed the acquisition of the bioinformatics company NextBio, where Illumina will integrate it into their recently launched Enterprise Informatics unit. Illumina also got into an agreement with IVD giants bioMérieux to provide out-of-the-box genomic pathogen solutions. Illumina has been very much active when it comes to bioinformatics and next general sequencing NGS. They are in agreement with Merck Serono, Lockheed Martin over NGS. This is an indication of the great potential of next general sequencing in the bioinformatics sector. All this activity points out to the fact that in the bioinformatics market, genomics & proteomics along with next generation sequencing are filled with immense potential and will set the trend of dominating the global bioinformatics market in the coming years and is a hot prospect for major companies in the biotechnology sector.